today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, guys, everyone is asking right now, is it Uptober? Is it Dumptober? Well, let me ask you one question. Did you sell your Bitcoin? Did you sell your crypto, your altcoins in the last few days because we had this dump? Basically, just before the grand final you were waiting for multiple years. Congratulations. Well, let's talk about what is happening for Bitcoin right now. What is likely to happen to Bitcoin in the next few days, in the next 2 weeks. I want to show you one chart which might change your view on Bitcoin today. Let's go straight into it, dear ladies and gentlemen. And yes, of course, I'm not very happy myself how this October was starting. I would love to just Bitcoin go to the moon from the 1st of October like everyone was expecting it, but this is unfortunately not how the things are usually going. Well, let's talk about what is actually happening to Bitcoin, what we can expect for Bitcoin right now. Well, here you can, just a second, here you can see the Bitcoin chart on the monthly candles. And what we can see here is the last 14 years for Bitcoin, and something which is every single time the same in every single cycle is we are consolidating, and this includes the first cycle here where Bitcoin was basically really in the very beginning days. But what you can see is ever since we hit the all-time high in June 2011, we were basically going sideways and downwards, but sideways for 580 days. 2 years of sideways market in the beginning phase of Bitcoin. Guess what the freaks, the computer nerds were saying back then? Well, they knew why they bought Bitcoin, so they did not complain about that. Then the same thing here, actually, 2014, 15, 16, I mean, all the way until beginning of 17. Look at this. We are talking about a total of 1,250 days of sideways market. Same thing in the cycle before the last one, from 2017 to 2021. What can we see here? We can see Bitcoin going sideways basically for 1,100 days. So again, more than 1,000 days. And what we can see here in this cycle, since the high we had in March 2021 until today, it is 1,280 days, just like before. You could even take the second, like the nominal all-time high, and then we have 1,100 days sideways market. So basically, I mean, I know the last few months have been very, very boring. Yes, even more boring than before. Like we went into a very long sideways market in the last few months, but we are having 1,100 days of sideways market, just like in the last cycle, just like in the cycle before. It takes 1,100 days approximately for Bitcoin to break the previous all-time high, for Bitcoin to go into that parabolic bull cycle after hitting the previous all-time high. This is what was to be expected. So even if you want to make the case, well, why this time October is bearish? Well, if you look in history, we had 9 out of the last, 11 Octobers green, but only 5 out of the 9 or 6, I think 5 out of the 9 had a green first week. Most of them, or not most, half of them actually started red before we eventually turned around and went up for the races. This is the only thing I wanted to tell you for today. Of course, I want to talk about my Bitcoin trade as well. This one is still open. You can see it, 92 Bitcoin in a profit, Ethereum 170 Bitcoin in a Ethereum in a profit. I didn't change anything. This trade's still like $7 million in a profit. I'm just gonna leave it there. I'm not gonna scale up, not gonna scale down. I just wait for Bitcoin to do what I'm waiting for it or what it is supposed to do. Lean back and relax, guys. It's not a bear market just because Bitcoin is going down. If Bitcoin goes down to 48,000, I mean, not expected. I don't expect that to happen, but it would still not be a bear market. Lean back, guys. I think the last parabolic phase is just in front of us. Smash up the like button and of course leave your thoughts down below. I want to know what you think about that. Also, down below you can claim a $30,000 free bonus and join my team for the World Series of Trading on Bybit, which has multi-millions of US dollars in prize pool. To join, you need to click my link down below, sign up and sign up below my team on the World Series of Trading. Thank you so much for watching, and we are going to see you very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. As always, guys, bye. Bye.